2, 1. Good morning. Happy New Year, you guys. This is New Year's Eve for us, but for you, Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great one. In fact, if you're on the other side of the world, you probably already celebrated it like yesterday. We're so behind. We're just cleaning and getting ready for our party tonight.
It's Operation Clean the freaking house, because it's messy. I just organized all the books.
That's a big job, because the kids destroy the bookshelf, which is good, because they're like reading.
And look at this picture I found.
Oh, little Zayd. Little Christmas
See that
Zayd.
sparkle in his eye?
He had some chubbered cheeks. Oh, I miss kissing those baby cheeks. We'll have another baby to kiss though. She's not very chubby yet. We gotta chub her up. I'm working on getting her to eat a little bit more.
And you guys, I wanted to give you an update on the poop boots. It worked. The shoe goo worked. Look at this. Look at that seal. Oh yeah, this is just from duct tape residue, my previous fix, but yeah, I got a perfect seal, brand new boots. I can get another 7 years out of them. Fix it up, throw it out, make it do, or do without. Is that what it is?
Fix it up, wear it out, make it do or do without.
That's what I said. Here, let's see your hair. Come here, turn around. Oh, you got the pony in? You're looking good, buddy. This is Mama's.
Yeah, Mama.
It's Mama's.
All right, we have fruit cup. That means it's a real party.
Oh my God.
And we have friends.
Hey! Happy
Now it's a real party, you guys.
I'm so excited. Look at all these Martinellis.
That's just for Jared and Ellie.
There's really not that much in there.
I know,
It's
the
less than a
glass
liter.
is really thick,
Yeah.
right?
It's 750 milliliters.
Okay.
So if you think about it,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's just enough for one person.
I don't know.
Zayd, you're a good singer. What are you playing? Oh, sorry, Daisy. You're a good drummer.
expert?
Just kidding.
Oh.
You're fine. Davey, you're waiting.
Okay, let's do it.
Medium.
We'll do the easy, just hit. Hey.
I think you have to hit.
Just take some time, little girl, in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Go, Davey! Oh, he's down on his knees. Everything will be alright. Woo! Yeah! Who's Blue Yoshi?
This is how moms play Mario Kart right here with the baby in their arms.
Am I doing good,
You're doing awesome.
He kept changing the view on me. I was like backwards, forwards, backwards.
And are you helping Mama?
Helping me a lot. This is really high quality entertainment for people right now.
We're on the farm.
Xander, we gotta practice for later. You're gonna say Happy New Year, okay? So try saying it. Say Happy New Year.
Happy Noodle.
All right. Happy Noodle.
Happy Noodle.
Hey guys, Jared has been slaving over a hot stove for the past hour. Look at the fruits
I
of
would
his
say
labor.
at least 4 hours. You don't know how long these noodles have to soften.
Handmade cookies.
See how our fortune is for the new year.
Yes, this is good stuff.
Yeah.
April, I'm getting out the mug. It's got my own name on it. We bought these in Oregon. We didn't use them this Christmas, but
I forgot about those.
I'm using it. Dr. Pepper. Okay guys, we're gonna do, Amber, Daisy, we're gonna do highs and lows for this year. What's the best thing that happened all year? I'll go first. The best thing, and you guys can't copy me. Baby Elizabeth was born.
Oh, that was gonna be mine. You stole it. Not fair.
Okay, you can copy me.
Best thing the whole year. That's so crazy. This thing about like
It's been a
all
long
the way.
year.
I actually really am happy that we built our house.
That was
That
good.
was this year.
Okay, Zayd, what's yours? You can't copy ours. It's gotta be something new. What's your high for the year?
Cherry Hills.
Cherry Hills, your high?
Low?
What's the best thing? Lake Powell?
Oh, sure it's on Lake Powell. Lake Powell is my Lake Powell.
Ambry, what's your best?
Have you ever been there?
Lake Powell is awesome. Yeah.
Today's New Year's. Ellie, what's yours?
Ooh, probably Calvin being born.
Calvin being born.
Or Jackson talking more. That's awesome.
That is
That's
fun.
so fun.
Jared, what's the best thing that happened all year?
Ellie, you're
I
gonna
agree
want to
with
go
what
to Lake
Ellie said. I
Powell.
think Calvin being born has been pretty awesome. Jackson being able
We're gonna want to go to Lake Powell because
it's been pretty
there's
enjoyable to see on a
cute little
daily
lizards
basis.
running around every.
Happy New Year's, baby Elizabeth.
Happy New Year's, baby.
You gotta give her a kiss.
Baby little bit.
Aww.
Now she has strawberry soda in her hair. How cute. Resolution is to keep your feet off the table, okay?
Ender, what exactly are you doing?
You were putting your feet up there? That's gross.
You guys, it's been a great New Year's Eve so far. I like my mug.
I like your mug too.
It's a good looking mug, right?
Yeah.
So April, we need to talk about this. This is probably the most important kiss of the year, and I've got this happening right now.
I'll
Are
still
you
kiss
gonna be
you.
okay with kissing
Yeah.
me with this? You gonna be okay with that?
Yeah.
See, I appreciate that she's gonna...
I'm gonna just.
I've been worried about it. I was like, maybe I'll have to shave it for tonight because I have to get my kiss. It's kind of a big deal.
You besides this.
I know, you've been experimenting.
Little kisses. It's not
Yeah. And are you teaching him how to be crazy? Getting him all riled up before bed?
This is like the first time they've actually like played together.
Yeah,
The
I
whole
know.
day.
Oh, they found each other right before bedtime. Whoa, uh-oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Ellie, are you thing one or thing two?
One, I'm always one. I'm always number one.
You soothed a crying baby.
Demonstrate how to soothe a crying baby. 45-degree angle.
Don't let her fling
Aw,
back.
Got her. She's not going anywhere.
Mm.
It's the best part of the year right here, guys. You're looking at it.
I like these jammies.
Look at her cute face.
Oh, precious baby. Look at that mustache and that beard.
Mine or
That
hers?
baby. She don't have one. I bet if you kissed her, she'd cry. I woke her up a little bit.
All right, guys, we got most of the kids out of the room, so it's the adults only and a few babies left. Uh-oh. She's not ready to let 2015 go. We got matching onesies on. She's got the best walk, I'm telling you.
I've got to think of a rhyme. I've got to think of a rhyme. I've got to think of a rhyme. I just don't have the time to think of a rhyme.
What? You see what he did there?
Get it, girls.
Dang, Gina.
Oh, man.
Working in Photoshop.
Okay, Jared, dance off.
I got to get my serious.
It's on. I'm getting nervous now.
You guys couldn't make it to the new year, babe.
Rhythm.
Jared, don't worry. Davey hasn't country swing danced in like years.
I've been going stay while you sleep.
He's evil. Wow, check out the outfit change. Yikes.
I want to take a picture. Jared is ripping it up, Davey. You better bust it out. In case you were wondering, yeah, they can still dance. I don't know what to do. Onesies have to stay on. We're gonna sweat off all the junk food we just ate. Ah, there we go. This makes me want to go slap Garrett's butt. Uh-oh, you better do it. She took me off. She did. Did she? Yeah. No. Looks like it. Looks like she is. She is.
Okay, guys, we're dancing down there, and we got the kids set up here, watching a movie. We are gonna let them stay up till midnight, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they all stay happy. I decided I should do a New Year's resolution. That's kind of like the thing to do. So, April, why don't you go first? What is it?
I want to, of course, I think this is like everyone's. Eat better and take care of your body and exercise and be healthier. And then I also want to run a half marathon, which is also kind of part of the first one. And then just overall, just be a better wife, mom, and person. Just be better.
Okay, I want to race a marathon again. I didn't get to race last year, so
You want to try to break your old time?
I don't know if that's happening.
What is your best time?
Just under 3. I did a few under 3 hours. So I don't know if I can beat my last time, but I want to race again and race fast. Get back to that, and then
I think you could beat it.
I want to be the best dad in the world.
Yes. You already are, honey.
No, the best. I'm good. I'm not the best yet. Is that measurable?
Okay, I think you can do it.
Okay, Ender, we were going over New Year's resolutions. Is there anything you want to work on this year?
For baby.
Oh, I think that's good. Up there?
Yeah.
He wants to climb up the
He
railing
wants to go
all
up
the way
there.
up there.
That's his goal. That's
Up there, where
Up
the
there.
base is.
Yes.
Positioning into the big kid.
Okay, guys, we got about 12 minutes left till the new year. We lost Jared for a little bit, but
back. I'm
he
back.
is back, so it's
I'm back.
You see it?
What? What did you do?
That's enough.
I accidentally had the viewfinder pointed at Jared. He wasn't supposed to find out yet, so. Zayd's got baby Evie. Oh, whoa, what happened to your face? Zayd, it's almost time. It is almost time. Oh, yeah, look at this.
It's like the ones that shoot up.
Yeah.
Those are aerials.
Red, white, and bling.
Oh, bling,
That's
bling.
the true American way.
We should go out in the front.
In
do
the
those.
little street.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's go do that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Kisses, kisses.
That's it. And they say Happy New Year! Say 2016! Amber, Daisy, say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
2016 is gonna be awesome, and we are excited to share it with you guys. And we're gonna go light some fireworks off now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ding. You missed the new year.
I know.
Okay, come here, we're gonna do fireworks. Happy New Year's, and I love you very much.
Yeah, I'll move this one over here.
Okay, here we go, guys. It ain't New Year's without a little firework action. That's what I always say. Here goes the number 1! Kiss me. Kiss me right here, April, kiss me!
That's awesome.
Happy New Year! Yes!
It's over.
That's it.
2015 is
so
gone
sad.
forever.
It was a pretty good year, though.
It was an amazing year.
Got a new baby.
I don't know
new,
how we could top it.
New tax document.
Do tax brag.
New
No,
no,
do
what
tax-
are they?
She's a tax deduction.
Tax deduction. That's what she is. She's a tax deduction.
Oh
so that's,
dear.
That's the bonus, right?
Yeah, I'm glad that we squoze her in this year. What the heck?
Anyways, hope you guys have a great 2016. Make some goals. Do something awesome this year.
Do some exercise. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get
Do it for longer than a week.
Yeah, I'll probably do it for 2 weeks. I'll be honest.
All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.